Alright, let's continue. Okay. Right, let's see. I think, okay, is it safe to call memcpy with count greater than memory allocated for source? More than that is not okay. So, wait a minute. I think for the parameter, I want to also provide the destination size and the source size, or maybe length. Let's call it length, I guess. Okay. Destination, and then this one is size T. Source, okay, and then stage MP. Okay, for it. Okay, so let's check if destination length not equal source length, right? Is it safe to call memcpy with count greater than memory allocated for SRC? I mean, yeah, it looks like it is not okay or can be dangerous. I guess, wait a minute. Okay, memcpy says 0. Memcpy, right. I try doing this. We have a destination of 3 bytes, I guess. But the source is only have 2 bytes. compile this, we will get an error. Not really an error, a warning. memccpy reading 3 bytes from a region of size 2. And then if, let's say, we have something like this, something like this, okay, it works fine, but yeah, that can be I think that can be dangerous because there is no, what is it called, no terminator. If anyone think of this as a string instead of array of character, okay. But anyway, to make it safe, let's just adding this condition. If it is not the same, let's throw an error. Reserve zip code like 50, 51, so on for string related error. Because 5 looks like S. The symbol of string. The initial factor for string. Okay, anyway, let's do this instead. What is error message? Error destination source name. Not the same. Maybe let's simplify this. Same, and then I also want to add the file name. File name and my number. Send in. I mean, if your line number is more than unsigned in, then you probably have some kind of problem. You probably need to refactor, I think. That is too much, especially in the 64-bit system, you know. What is this? This is million, right? This is billion. I don't really quite remember, but it is a lot of number. It's not the same on. Okay. And then this is file name. Line number. Okay. Exit 58 case. Watering. And then, oh right, I didn't really use memccpy because I don't really want to copy the memory from source to the destination. From source to the destination when we cannot find the null terminator on the source. Something like that. Okay. Void. Pointer. Not all. I found an article. Where is it? Oh, I think this one. Put some kind of benchmark, I guess. Let me copy this in the chat. Does anyone wants to take a look? Basically comparing the memchr, something like this. And this is nanosecond, not second. That is quite fast. And well, because we knew the size, right? I think that should be fine. Using memchr. But yeah, what is the return value? Oh, the return value matching byte or null if the character does not occur. Okay. What is the argument? Okay. I think source, and then to terminator. Okay, the size is, I think, destination line. I mean, we already make sure that it is the same, right? So using destination line or source line should be fine. If terminator equal null, destination source. Okay. Terminator not found on. Let's call it add. Exit code 51. Let's just increment the exit code. I think something like this. Okay. And then if, what is it called? If we already checked that, right? Let's copy that using memcpy. The memory areas must not overlap. Okay. How to check if the memory areas not overlap? Memory overlap. For checking flapping memory region. Put the source and destination pointer for null. For both source and test with main parameter. Determine if the source range intersect. Checking for null. Should we check for null too? Maybe. Itu scratchpadnya i3 kah? Iya, ini scratchpadnya i3. Oke. Source. increase this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Destination or source cannot be null. Cannot be null. Or maybe let's just use something like this. Okay. No, and then where is it? Let me copy this as a reference. Let me apply. Let me apply the indexing operator to it, but even index 0, okay. Void is incomplete type, right? And I want to type does not convey any information about size of the thing to which it points is defined in terms of the pointed object. Define behavior. But not in general case. Comparability issue. It makes exactly the behavior you want out, but it is not a conforming approach to the problem, and the ensuing undefined behavior might produce genuine bug. And no, statistically, that pointer do not points to overlapping region. For cases where you do not know or where you know that there definitely is overlap, not just integer. Pointers are neither simple nor just integer. Okay, let me check. Bawaannya kalian juga ya bawaannya i3, cuma ya aku bikin sendiri sih scriptnya, jadi pakai di max terus dibuka pakai sketchpad nya i3. Oke. This some using C++ code. C has auto-sum issues. Okay. Well, let me copy this in the chat. One wants to take a look. Wait, where is it? Oh, okay. You should not use. Okay, so I'm not really sure if the memory will overlap or not. So maybe I should use memmove instead, right? Copy it into temporary array and then copy that to the destination. So the source temporary array and then the destination. As far as I understand. So let's do that instead. I mean, I'm not sure if memmove slow or not, but for our use case, I think it should be fine. Oh, where is it? Memmove. Okay, destination source size. Destination source. I just use destination line. I mean, again, we already make sure that the destination and source length should be the same. Okay. Let me check. Oh no. Okay. Now let's move all of this. Reference. Okay, where is it? This one. This one. Okay. All right. With count greater than memory allocated for source. Okay. It's the same. Right? I'm not really sure if we already make sure that we have no terminator, so let's okay. That is interesting. We know that the destination. Maybe the right explanation, something like this. We use analog size because we know that the destination and source size is the same. Other than memccpy string cpy. Oh, okay. String cpy. Okay, no. And then right. Okay, wait a minute. Let me use macro instead. Okay. What should I add in here? String line. Okay, the destination line. Analog size 2, and then file line. Okay, maybe something like this. That is not expected, but good enough, I guess. Thing like this. Okay. Fine. Same, right? Okay. Let me just make sure. Okay. Continue. Oh, it should be in this one. Okay. I kind of forgot where to start. The analog size. Okay, and then Of course, this one. Okay, I move this. Okay. Right, let me try compiling this. Oh, okay, let me check. 289. Right. Like this. Okay. Let us check. Okay. Let x, sorry, 6942x plus xy. Okay. Sample. Let's use this one. Okay. Debug. Wait a minute. What do I want to do again? I want to check the failing condition. String cpy. Okay. Like this one. Okay. String cpy. GTP command time. Oh. IT on the breakpoint. Okay. I think it's because of the, what is it? Built-in init. This one. Right. We add we put the variable or the built-in function. We put the built-in function put, right? And then in this env put we have this one, alpha copy, and we are using Z. In the alpha copy we use strcpy. Okay, let me check. strcpy, right? We're in the env build, env build in init, env put. Okay, now Okay, the destination is whatever it is. And this is let. Okay. And now let's try changing the destination length to 5. Okay. Next. Okay. Exit. Alright. And then continue. Program is not being run. Okay. Run. Now let's check this one. If the source or the destination null. Okay, and then let's continue. Exit. Right. And then okay, we already checked this one. The terminator. Okay, next. Print terminator. Okay, it exists. Generic pointer. Okay. Maybe we should cast this to in, I guess. Cannot access. Okay. Something like this, maybe. Okay. That's not intended. How about jar? Well, maybe this is the one. I'm not really sure. Okay, but anyway, it is not null, right? The terminator is not null, so let's change that to null. Or well, you can also change that like this. At least in the, what is it called? ANSI character set. It is the same thing. I'm not sure in the other characters set. Anyway, we are checking this conditional. Continue. Okay. Found on source. And then we move that. We are using memmove instead of memccpy because we can be sure that someone providing the overlap memory overlap memory area for test and source. Okay. is this language? What language? This is C programming language. Okay, let me. I don't think we. Okay. And then. Yeah, let me commit that. Commit this. Alright, I also want to check if snprintf null terminated or not. This one. Well, let's do that after this. Okay. Wait a minute. Unlock size. For both. Maybe destination. Source file. The same, something like this. Okay. This, no, and this, okay, let me check. Okay. Now let's check in here instead. Okay. Right. Message. Okay. NVSim, okay. Other than let me take the first character first thing. Okay, fit, not really a feature, but maybe refactor using zip. memccpy replacement. Is it a feature or refactor? I don't really think. Let's use feature, I guess. But yeah, we are not really adding a new feature. Let's use refactor. Okay. Does not have safety card for copying string, which can cause buffer overflow. Problem. So let's try create a few and replace let's see how it goes. It goes, okay. Let's take a break for a while. Okay, so some people said that snprintf might add a null terminator character. Well, let me put this, maybe this one, I think the shorter one in the chat. But some people think that might not be the case, I think this one. The output is null terminated if and only if the return value is non-negative and less than n. N is the snprintf, okay. n is the size that we provide, like the limit of the, what is it called? Of the character, I guess. Which means that if the return value is not less than n, the output, including the null terminator character, does not fit in the array. Then the output is not null terminated. Oh. Okay. I mean, yeah, there is some ambiguity, right? Thus, the null terminated output has been completely written if and only if. Let me check. Is it on the POSIX manual? Or in this? I think the Linux main page. Format of the format string. No, not that one. Return value. Okay. Do not wait more than size byte, including the terminating null byte. If the output was truncate to this limit, then the return value is the number of characters. Is the number excluding the null byte, which would have been written to the final string if enough space had been available. Thus, a return value of size or more means that the output was truncate. Oh, okay. If let's say we have something like this, right? This is the return value. Wait, no. Something like this. So at least it is the same, right? And then can be more than the size, the return value. Okay. So it needs to be less than size. I think, wait a minute. Custom, okay. Error message. Right. We print the length of snprintf2. Okay. See, this is less than the, what is it called? The actual length. Because we provide the null terminator plus 1, we provide another space for the null terminator character, and then if we are doing something like this, custom, oh, I need to get breakfast after this. Okay, I forgot to add the math library. Okay, custom. I mean, in ZSH, the cell that I use, if there is no, what is it called? if there is no new line character, this one \n ZSH will print out the percentage character by default. So yeah, does this mean we don't have a null terminator? I mean, interesting. Okay. If that is the case, then debug one line message plus one. This one, okay. Now let's try adding the debug macro like this. Custom, okay. Less than the actual length, okay. Let me add this one. If snprintf size is the same as the limit, the same or more than the limit, that means if the output was don't get to this limit, then the return value is the number of characters, excluding null byte character, which would have been written to the final string if enough space had been available. Thus, a return value of size or more. The value of size or more means that the output was truncated, which means that we don't have enough space for the null byte or the null terminator. We might not have enough space to add null terminator. Access here. Interesting. Add the new line character into. Oh iya, iya habis ini. Okay, let me commit this first. no, git commit jar playground and info.sn printf return value. Looks like we can use to check whether the string copied is null terminated or not. Question mark. Need more experiment, I guess. Need more info. Or let's see how it goes. The classic. More than the limit. And another character is written at another character. The character will be written and the character beyond the second one. Then the new character is written after those two. Wait, if that is the case, then maybe it is not something like this, but something like this, you know. We add the null terminator at the end. Commit transfer. If n is 0, then nothing is written to the output. If not, then some character is discarded such as but array is never overflown. So invented anything been written incomplete. When output is incomplete, that the output is not terminated unless it's empty. What? And the standard says what exactly is written when output is. Some other place in the standard says when exactly is written when output is incomplete. That place states that the output is not terminated unless it's empty. And which standard? Let's check this one. Otherwise it is guaranteed to not terminate. And the sentence you got starting with let me check. Okay. I don't think this is POSIX 1. It's not exist. Okay. So is it not terminated or not? Let's amend this first. We need more info. Okay. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. We will explore this on the next session. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.